Chop game. Market makers playing that chop game. Traders getting wrecked, don't trade it the same. Long it, pull back, short it, moon quick. Market makers in the back, left. Confirm breakout. Nah, now it's reversing. Market makers bait the highs and slice the lows. Paint the picture, then it folds. Fake bull flags, fake bear traps, jumping in late. That bag collapsed. Whipsaw move, straight disrespectful. No trend, just chop. Feeling regretful. Market makers see it stop like X-ray vision. Liquidity hunting, that's their mission. Retail trying to snipe the top. Market makers cooking, it's getting hot. Revenge trading will break your soul. Fear, greed, envy, you lose control. Jealousy, anger, revenge gets fed. You revenge trade, now in the red.
Don't feel like you have to be in a trade. Don't give up, I know it's hard. Royal flush soon, like playing cards. Markets change, can't trade it the same. Long the uptrend, short the flare.
It's that range game, fake out chains. Market makers profit, traders feel the pain. Candle art ain't what it seems. Chop is a weapon, killing dreams. Chasing that breakout too late, my friend. Market makers denying the sin. Retail trap, caught in that zone. That traders be holding bags, asking for a loan. FOMO hits.
Right, guys, traders be holding the bag, asking for a loan because, well, the dip keeps on dipping. Here we go, guys. Let's get started in 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. That's right, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or pattern memorization. We make trading not as difficult. So let's drink really quick, stay hydrated, and let's get into the crypto bubbles. All right, so crypto bubbles, we're on the daily. Zcash down almost 20%, 19.5%. We have, and these are the ones that were up yesterday. We have Stark down 13.8% on the daily. ENA down 11%. So again, what the market's giving is taking away. So just be aware of that. And I'm sure, hopefully y'all are aware of that, you know, and we mentioned this before for months already, where Bitcoin goes up, alts go up. Bitcoin comes down, alts come down. Bitcoin goes up, breaks the high, alts, they don't break their high. And that's how it's been. So, you know, you got to take these profits quick. Now, there will be a time where Bitcoin will go up and break the high, and the alts will go up and break their highs. But right now, it's just bad. It's just really, really bad. And we're feeling it too. Let's go to the hourly time frame. Ooh, green. Holy smokes, green. Let's go. We got Zcash up 7.4%. Dash up almost 4%, 3.8. ICP. So does that mean Bitcoin's going up? Possible. Possible Bitcoin's going up. We'll see. Let us go to the index for the alt season. 27. Yesterday, 26. Last week, 24. Boring. Last month, 40. Pathetic. Pathetic. Let's refresh this really quick. Let's go to the crypto 24. Extreme fear. Let's go. This is when we want to buy. 24, 18, all that fun stuff. This is when we want to buy. Hey, we got Chris in the house. What's up, Chris? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. Oh, you're good, man. I just started. You're good. Let's go to the liquidations heat map. Let's going to refresh this one more time. 24-hour time frame. We're going to reduce this. I forgot who told us about it, but reduce it to 0.6. That's what they use. And they use this more than me. So, ooh, doggy. We have a lot of liquidations. Was making dinner. Ooh, chicken mozzarella. Nice. Yeah, I had me a banana split. I know I shouldn't have, but I did. And it was cold too, and it's cold outside. It's banana split time. But here we have a lot of liquidations, man, all up to the top, all to the bottom. It's which way is it going to go? That's the question. It can only come down here if it breaks this level. And get this. But just because it breaks the level doesn't mean it's going to get, I mean, if it breaks it, it has to get it. Like, it's right at the level. But if it breaks it, does it have to get this one? No, it can come straight back up. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Jeez, that one has, they're all, I mean, up and down. Let's go to the 3-day. 3-day. We have more to the downside. So this may be a little clearer picture, even though we're going up, maybe coming down, taking this, let's see here, 44 million, 50 million, sitting at 102. And then we have some more, 55 million, 42 million, sitting at 1016. So maybe come down here, get this liquidity. And as we're coming down, I'm sure this will get hotter because more people are getting shorts. Man, it's a nasty game. It's a nasty game. Let's see. Chris says, glad and grateful to be here. Well, thank you, my friend. I'm glad you're here, man. I really am. I am glad you're here. Let us look at, oh yeah. So we were looking at USDUC yesterday and we're like, oh man, this is looking good. But we needed the 4-hour candle to close above this. If it does, more than likely come up, come back down, come up, and then do this. But instead it went meh, came down. So now this just moves over. You know, we're just waiting for it to break this level now. And look at that beautiful level too. Wow. Let's go to Clash. Clash, boring. Let's go to Karma. Karma, we mentioned that the price is here. We need to break this to enter what I've entered. Sure. If I was looking at this, I'm not even looking at this, but people ask for this one. So yes, I would have entered. Even though it came back down, I would have still entered. I don't want it breaking below this. If it breaks below this pivot point, a really strong chance we'll go for this. And then this, and then this. We don't want to see that. Let's draw this up. So if it does this, then more than likely here, more than likely here, and then who knows, more than likely here to where it looks something like this. And then maybe starts coming up. But I would have entered here. So for this one, I will put a check mark to let you know I would have entered. So check mark. And that's just saying I would have entered. Okay, moving on. Moving on. Let's see here. Chris says, been missing with new nodes today. I've been finding on cheap Charlie Miner, Lumira, and something called Node Pay. I'm looking into as we speak. Got the Mira network ongoing and have to set up a few more of them to boost the mining rate. I need to check the price as well. Very nice, very nice. The other coin like Pi possible. Not sure, but I'm trying to get some more downloadable nodes. Hey, there you go. Before I actually buy hardware, sorry for the chat. Oh no, man, it's all good. Floki's Angel in the house. What's up? What is going on? Well, thank you. You guys are the best. Let's see here. I think that was it for that one. Let's come over here. Ooh, good. I'm tired. Long day today. Oh man. Not looking good. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Another 1 hour. We were talking about this yesterday. Price was here. No, this was this morning. This was this morning. I made a video for my VIP group and I said, here, price needs to bounce. It needs to bounce. This is the perfect 50% level from here to here, 50% level on the favorite retracement. And it's also our box where it needs to bounce. And if it does, well, then maybe we get rejected here. You know, we have our other box. This was our bounce zone when we were up top. Now it's our resistance. And you can see it would get rejected, came down, rejected, all in the bottom of the line, came up, got rejected, broke this level. Okay, it's coming down. And maybe bounce here. But I'm looking for a bounce, rejection, come down, break through, get out of the bounce zone or rejection zone. Let's go, moon mission. But if we're here and we don't go up, well, then it's always plan A, plan B. For the VIP group, I said we may come down to about here. I don't know. Then come up, maybe get rejected off of our trend line, and then come down. We need to watch for this level to break. If it does, more than likely we'll come and get this. Possible. Maybe come down more. And then now maybe bounce off of the bottom of this trend line. These blue lines are very, very important. And this is our zone. This is from our second cycle, from our high to the second high, all-time high at that time, from candle body, candle wick to candle wick, gives us this zone. And this is what we're looking for. This is the part where we were talking about for quite a while, to where, you know, when we were in here, if we come down, and this looks so far away, if we come down, you know, we want to potentially bounce in here and come up. We don't want to break below, because if we do break below, within on the weekly, this is a really nice fair value gap, and it's around 91.7 to 95.4. And if we do break this zone, there's a really high chance, probability that we may come down to maybe even the middle of this fair value gap, right around 88. So we don't want to break this. And right now, the way it's looking, potentially, you know, we're coming up. Are we going to get rejected here? Or are we going to break through it and then find support and then come up? And all this was just liquidating all of the longs that were going up. And then as it comes down, people start shorting. And then now if it goes, then we just liquidate the shorts. So that's my thought process on that. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? If so, let me know. Man, right now it is 39 degrees in Georgia. So my cousin, talked to my cousin yesterday, I believe it was. He was like, man, Joe, I want to buy land. I said, me too. He goes, man, I want to buy land, and I want to, you know, just build a little, I don't know what he called it, but for me, I'm looking like a little, like a cabin, just a little cabin. And he started telling me, it's like, I don't know if I've told him this before. I think I have, but it's like, yeah, Joe, like I just want to, you know, grow food and have, you know, chickens and hogs and goats and stuff, and just live off the land and off, you know, the animals. I said, dude, that's my dream. So who knows, maybe in 5 years. I told him too, I was like, yeah, man, I'll help you out. Like, and he goes, yeah, Joe, like, that's what I'm thinking. I was like, dude, that'd be great, man. That'd be great. Can you imagine, you know, growing your own cucumbers and strawberries and everything else? I mean, I really wanted to do that at this new place that I'm at. And I started looking at it, into it. And I was like, I don't know. But if it's for me, my cousin, then, you know, it's like, okay, I have to do it. You know what I mean? So, just a little insight. Let's see here. So right now we're coming up. Let us look at, after, this is on YouTube. When did we do this one? On the 10th? Yesterday at 1 o'clock. What was yesterday? Monday? Yeah. So yeah, we entered it and we had a lower entry. I must have been doing high leverage. Did I get stopped out? I don't think I did. And that's the problem. Like, I don't even know, like, the trades that I'm in. Like, oh, I'm just in one trade. I'm still in it. Okay. Let's see, my stop loss is much tighter because I did higher leverage. But anyway, oh, let's see here. Let's go over some coins. This one we got stopped out on. Boop, 4%, well, 3.6. Boop. But that's the beautiful part about stop losses, where you don't lose all of your money. So that's good. Let's go over here to this, and let's go to the, oh, I want to look at Link. But let's go to YouTube Rapid Fire. Let's look at Link real quick. Four-hour double click. And it doesn't look great. It doesn't look Tony the Tiger. It does not look Tony the Tiger. This could be a potential bounce. You know, it pulled back, bounce up, pull back, bounce up, pull back, bounce up. All the lows have not been broken, so that's good. We did have not so much a double top, but like a higher high. Nice level right here on the 4-hour. Oh, we got a bounce there and then broke through. Meep, meep, meep. See, can we look at Injective, Pingu, and so yeah, definitely. So Pingu. Not looking Tony the Tiger. Holy smokes. What's all this? What's all this nonsense? Remember, this is only the first target. What did we do? Did we do oh, we didn't even get our, oh man, we entered and stopped out 12% really quick. Ouch. Ouch. Man, that was a quick one. 19 drawings, get out of here. Man. Now, if you have conviction in these coins, you know, right now would be a good time to buy. And then since it's Pingu, I normally say 35% lower, but here we'll go about, we'll go 40. We'll go here, 38% lower. This is if you have conviction in this coin. For me, I think it's so cute. It's a penguin. Come on, man. It's a penguin. So I think it's super cute. You know, you can do an enter now if you have conviction. If you're looking for this as a trade, oh, not ready. Look on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. What we want to see is retracements 38 to 50%. That's what we want to see. Here we went up, we pulled back. Well, let's zoom in to so you can see my example. Let's go to, it doesn't look strong. That's what I'm trying to show you. So from here to here, it went up, pulled back to the 786, just about. Then on this extension leg, it passed the 786. Again, we want to see 382 minimum. 0.5 is great. 0.5, 618, it's okay for the possible bounce. Now, we look at this one, and we went even, 786. So, yes, we are going, but we're taking about like 80% back. We're taking about 80% back. We took about 80% back. And so it's good that we have not broken the lows. Well, this one we broke, never mind. Oh, for future trades? Okay. Man, it depends on how risky. Like for me, I'm a safe trader. I'm a super safe trader. And there's traders that would see this like, oh yeah, definitely, you get in right now and it's going to bounce. But the thing is, like, it could do something like this. I mean, granted, when it did bounce, it broke the high. And when it did bounce, it broke the high. And when this one bounces, it might break this high. So they could see that. For me, like, even though it hasn't shown it yet, it might do this. That's what it might do. And that's what I'm afraid of. But for me personally, I would not trade this one for leverage. And watch, it's going to do like amazing because I said that. These are higher risk trades, but I mean, look at this. We went up, down, up, broke the level, boom, moon mission. Up, down. We need to break this level. We break this level, we can enter the trade. And look at all this that it can take. And all this. So what I would do, if you want to trade this, what I would do is I would wait. And every trader is different. You know, their risk tolerance different, their risk management different. But for me, I would take this. I wouldn't enter right now though. I would enter on the break of this. So 15-minute candle needs to close above 0.014869. 15-minute candle. And then once it does, then, and I would set my alert. You know, somewhere about here. So set alert at 0.014975. 15-minute candle must close above the number we just mentioned in white. Then if that happens, then we can enter the trade. And as soon as we start going up, let's say we do something like this. As soon as it starts going up, we want to get our stop loss and we want to move it up. So our stop loss would be, let's say we enter somewhere here. Oh man, that's nothing. So let's just say we put it at 5%. So as soon as we start doing this number, we want to get our stop loss and move it tight, you know, tighter. This is nice. I like it. I'm actually going to set the alert. Set the alert. I like it. And then, so this is what I'm looking for, because let's just say it does this and then it comes down and it does this, like, oh crap. Here's our first warning. Then if it does this again, like, oh crap. And then here's our stop loss now. So we moved our stop loss up here. And then it does this, like, okay, we got stopped out, but we reduce our risk by 50%, or not reduce our risk, but we're saving money, because more than likely if we start breaking these lows and we break this support level, then there's a chance that we're going to break this and then continue coming down. But I do like this though, but we just have to wait for the alert to go off. Very nice. Did we do INJ? Did I skip that one? Ooh, let's go. 4-hour time frame. I don't remember if this was teaching. This one was drawn prior to the price action. Yeah, I think this was teaching. Because this is what I think might have happened. But it said we went up, and then I'm showing you that I would have entered trades. That's what I'm thinking. Let's delete 17 drawings. Let's go daily. I like this one. Well, let me think about that. Hold on. Wait a minute. What's going on over here? Okay, so this is a pretty strong level. Okay, got it. Let's go 4-hour. A lot of traders are gonna say, oh, look, we have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder, and then another shoulder. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Can we have a tight zone? So we have kind of body stop there, kind of body's here, kind of body wick, kind of body's up here. Coming down, went up, down, nice retracement, up, down, nice retracement. This I think is going to come up. Look at this, down, up, down, and then it broke the level, up, down, up, down, up. Moon mission, let's go. I like it. Let's go 15 minute. I don't like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down. I don't like this. It makes a block. Makes a block. I don't like the blocks. The blocks freak me out. I wish there was better market. Like, I like up, down, up, sideways, okay, up, down. I like this type of movement. This type of movement. This type of movement where it breaks levels. You know, you can see the pivots. Here, chop, 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 and then chop, 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 chop. The traders will see this as a bear pennant. They'll see that as a bear pennant to where it might come down to maybe this level. I'm trying to look for bullish reasons to enter this, and I'm trying to find. On the macro, I see this, so this is my bullish reason. Now 15 minute, I'm trying to find an entry, and then I see all this caca poo poo. Like all this chop, it hinders my ability to have a good thought process as far as like what could happen. Because my level is way up here, and I don't want to do it way up here. Because as soon as we're here, then we have this zone we got to deal with. What's the percentage? Why am I wasting all my time? 10%. I was hoping to be like 4%. That way I could just say, you know what, just enter. I can't enter on this one. I'd have to wait that 8-10%. And I hate doing that because this one looks so good as far as the potential. Let's see here. Joe, got the hat today. Yeah, man. I got my beanie because it's cold. It's 39 degrees. 39 degrees. Market is going to drop. Yeah. Yep. Unfortunately. Yeah, the market's so crap right now, man. Like here, early this morning, I made a video for my VIP group. And then I was saying, we need a bounce. Like we need to bounce. It's up 50% of this extension leg. Beautiful area for a bounce. Plus it's on the trend line from the previous cycle. It needs to bounce. If it doesn't, more than likely come down here, come up, Get rejected, come down, break the levels, maybe bounce down here. Doesn't look good, man. Yeah, so on this one, I'm gonna have to wait till way up here. So maybe set an alert at 8.281. And then if we come down, you know, because of Bitcoin, like I would need it to break this level. Unless if it does this and then it comes down, then we can enter here. But if it just does this and comes down, like I can't enter. Then if it comes up and then comes down, well then now I can enter for short. Right now just doing chop. Let's see here. Let's do Solana. Sorry about yelling so much, guys. Like I'm tired, man. Poof. Solana, come on, man. What's the big idea? You're supposed to lead the market. Solana. Let's go 3-day. The reason I'm going 3-day is just so that I can see more price action with fewer candles. That's all I'm doing. Let's scoot that over. Taking up too much of my space. Look for zones. Okay. Magnet tool snaps in place. I like it. I like it. Boom. I like it. We're right at the top, but it looks like we're breaking down. Let's see here. We can take a drink. Oh, the reason I had a banana split today was because I bought some bananas from the store. They were on discount. They were $1 for a bunch of them. I guess because they were going bad. I said, $1? I can't pass up that deal for bananas. So I bought them, and then I forgot about them that day. Next day, I was like, man, I gotta eat some bananas. So I go and ate like 3 of them, just eating bananas. And then the next day, I was like, man, I gotta eat. It's like, you know what? But a banana split sounds great. So that's what I did the other day. And then and then today I was like, man, I still have bananas. So I ate the last 2 in that banana split. Thank you very much. So that's what I did. All right. Let me see. Couple levels there. Man, I would hate to see Solana lose this. Because then there's our alt season. Meh, meh. I said meh, meh. No. Short everything. Short everything. Sugar says, that's it. I'm coming over and eating them. Too late. I already ate them all. I've been saying I can eat them over and over. Yeah, man. The grapes. Oh my gosh. I'm spending like so much money on grapes. It's like, they're like, hey man, you got some cigarettes, you got some smokes. That's how I am with grapes. I'm going in, man, but they were $1.87 a pound. So man, I was buying a lot of them. And then now they're up to like $2.37 a pound. So it's like, let me not buy so many. But yeah, I spent some money on grapes. I love me some grapes. Oh man, I love me some grapes. Big old juicy grapes. I don't care if they're purple or white. I don't even care. I just grapes. Yeah, good grapes. I've been eating a lot of them lately. Like a lot. And then this past summer that I went to the store, I didn't get any grapes. But that's when I found the bananas. I was like, oh, bananas, $1. Sign me up. Solana. Let's go 4 hour. It was down, up, down, up, breaking the high, coming down. See, and this is why I show what I show. We showed this earlier, but to me, like, this is showing weakness. And what do I mean? What do I mean? From the low to the high, I want to see price pull back to 382, possibly 0.5, because this is showing momentum. This is showing strength. And I'm always about momentum, strength of the move. This is what this is doing. If it goes to 382 and it continues going up, great. It's strong. Goes to 0.5, that's perfect because it took 50%. People are selling, which is good. You know, you don't want everybody just holding it so it just goes straight up. You want people selling. So that's good. If it goes into the golden pocket, they get a little worried. Breaks to 618. Uh-oh. Here, it went up, pulled all the way back to almost 78%. Not good. Then it shot up. Okay, awesome. Now let's come over here. And from here to here, it came all the way down into the golden pocket. Let's bring this over just a little bit so we can see. Into the golden pocket, and then came up. So, okay, that's okay. You know, it's not so bad. Then we have this right here. We want to see it now. Here was 786 retracement, then the golden pocket retracement, and now it'll be great if we go to 0.5 because what that's doing is it's showing the strength of the price action. You know, it was down here, 786, coming down for the bounce. Then it was into the golden pocket, and now let's see if it goes to 0.5. What does it do? Not 382, not 0.5, not the golden pocket. Breaks low. It's like, oh crap. It was starting to show some kind of strength, and then not good. So now what I'm looking for is I'm looking for this. I don't know to take this, and then some, or just to go just down. In order for me to get bullish, man, it needs to do this, and then break this high. And then now we can start looking for bullish. But right now, and there's a lot of traders that they'll see this, oh yeah, it came for the liquidity, and you know, enter now. Sure, you'll make more money than me, hands down, if this trade goes right. But if it doesn't, well, I'll watch for a short. Once it breaks this pivot, I'll look for a short. K Diggity says, grape chat. Man, I love me some grapes, man. I spend way too much money on grapes. Way too much money. What's going on, Harp? How you been, man? Let's see here. When I get more soul, it always drops. Yeah. Harp says, I'm down. Joe, try freezing them grapes. Oh man, that's what I would do. I would put the grapes in the freezer, and then I'd eat them like kind of like ice cream, I guess. But it was just grapes that were in the freezer, and I take them out, and I could be crunching on them. And man, I love that. I haven't done it in a while. I'm getting old now. I don't know if my teeth can handle it. I probably could, but I haven't done it in a long time. But yeah, but Joe, they're grapes. You're gonna see me all with my teeth all gone. What happened? They were like rocks. See here. Tech man in the house. What's up, man? Ooh. What's up, Al? What's going on, man? It's cold in Miami. Yeah, man. Right now it is 37 degrees. 37. Haha. Is it an 80 degree? That's funny. Normally it's what, 110? But yeah, so for Solana, not looking good. Could it go up from here? Sure. And could you go long here? Sure, of course. You know, it's about 4%. Let's go 15-minute time frame. In order for me to go long, I would need to break this level. Then we get 4%, you know, maybe a 5x leverage, maybe 10x leverage. So it would need to break 155.32. 15-minute candle. And then who knows? It may go straight up. It makes higher highs, higher lows. That'd be awesome. Yeah, but this market, it's so gross, man. Because like some of these coins are like just taking off out of nowhere. I'm thinking about getting to a long right now on Solana. You know, high risk due to the fact that I haven't had my confirmation here. And even if so, like if it goes up, you know, there's a chance that it might roll over. But what if it just went and it broke this high? What if? I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna do a 20x. My stop loss is gonna be, we'll do 1%. If you want to take this trade with me, I'd recommend doing like a 5x, maybe a 10x. Stop loss. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go 20x. I don't recommend you doing a 20x. I'm gonna have a lower entry as well. But let me put in this order. Solana. And again, high risk. We haven't had our confirmation yet. Solana. Solana. Okay. Jeez, it looks so ugly. I'm looking at the 3-minute time frame. So ugly. Long 50x. No, let's do 20. Jeez, I was at 50x. I was going nuts. 152.53. I was going nuts. Okay, and confirm. Confirm. Okay. So I'm in. Just showing you that I'm in. I recommend a 5x, maybe a 10. But I put very little money in. And then I don't think it'll go lower than this. So what I want to see is I want to see something like this. Here, and then this. That's what I would like to see. So we'll see. Let's go. All right, let me go back to the chat. Is it here? 58 degrees. Yeah, I'm 37 right now. The iguanas are falling. Uh-oh. I have barbecue. Techman says, not financial advice. We got a pump after government opens. Yeah, reopens. It would be so horrible. We pump for like half the day, maybe the day, and then the next day, down. Like everything comes back down. I sense ribs at Herbie. Yeah, that's funny. In your future. That's funny. But we'll see. We shall see. Let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? If not, that will be the show. Oh. Let's see here. Checking the chats. So cold. You guys are the best. Hey, we're up 1%. Yeah. We're up 1%. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I spoke too soon. Oh. Man, I don't think I've yawned this much in forever. I woke up early today too. Oh, but then I woke up early today, and then I got back under the blankets. I got them heated blankets. Ooh, so nice. So nice. And I was like, I'm gonna lay down for a little bit more. Lay down for an extra hour. Oh, I felt so good. Let's see. Do I see anybody? I don't see anybody has their stuff scheduled. Today's Tuesday. Well, then give you a heads up. I will not be on tomorrow with crypto coin mindset. I got stuff I got to do, so I will not be on tomorrow at 11 a.m. his time, and I will not be doing a bonus stream. I'll be doing a bonus stream on Thursday. So Thursday at 12 o'clock. I don't see anybody live. Where is everybody? What's going on? Today's Tuesday. I don't know. All right. Well, that's it for me, guys. I do thank you very much. You guys are the absolute best. And we will see you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's our new time. And of course, if you're in the VIP, of course, I'm doing videos for you guys for Bitcoin and our coins that we're in. If you're in the free Discord, hopefully I can, make videos for y'all. Like I really don't like Discord. They make you pay for putting videos on unless they're under like 45 seconds, anyway. So I just have it for the free version, and it is what it is. And then if you're in the free Telegram portion, well, then there I can give you the videos. I don't give them all to you because they're VIP videos, but I do give out videos. And then same thing if you're on the free portion of the Patreon, I put the videos there sometimes as well. So that's all I got. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care, guys. Did I hit that button? Try it again.
We in the charts again. Support line looks like it's holding. Market makers, make it bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce. Make it bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah, yeah. Late Night sessions, eyes glued to the screen. Charts looking heavy, but we move like a machine. Candles playing tricks, yeah, they trap the whole crowd. Wick hitting the lows, portfolio getting plowed. Liquidity pockets, that's where they hunt. Fake breakdown stops getting hit, eating your lunch. Market makers be sneaky just like a mouse. Traders just looking for that bounce. Bounce, 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 wrist.